Dear students, today we will discuss a poem, Meeting at Night by Robert Browning. So open your textbook Mindscapes at the page where the poem Meeting at Night is. Meeting at Night by Robert Browning. Before we start reading the poem, we should know something about the poet himself. You haven't read any poem written by Robert Browning so far. Robert Browning is one of the greatest poets of English literature. He was a contemporary of Tennyson. Tennyson was also a great poet. He was a contemporary of Tennyson. That means he belonged to the same time of Tennyson. সমসাময়িক ছিলেন। Now, today Browning is mostly famous for his poems called dramatic monologue. We have to understand what is meant by dramatic monologue. Robert Browning at first tried his hand at writing plays. প্রথমে নাটক লেখায় হাত দিয়েছিলেন, but his plays flopped. Then he started writing poems, but his poems were also not accepted by the readers. Then Browning started writing a particular type of poem called dramatic monologue. Let us try to understand what is meant by this term, dramatic monologue. Monologue means when one person is speaking, because mono means one. Monologue means a poem where one person is speaking. And why it is called dramatic? Because there are elements of drama in this type of poem. এর মধ্যে নাটকীয় উপাদান আছে. That is why it is called dramatic monologue. So in dramatic monologue, one speaker is there, and this is important, there must be a silent listener. There must be a silent listener. একজন নীরব শ্রোতাও থাকবে. He will not speak, but the speaker is actually speaking to him. And why dramatic? Because as the speaker goes on speaking, different aspects of his characters are revealed. তার চরিত্রের বিভিন্ন দিক প্রকাশ পায়. This is in a nutshell a dramatic monologue. Browning wrote many famous dramatic monologues. For example, his Last Duchess or The Last Ride Together or Porphyria's Lover. These are some of the famous dramatic monologues written by Browning. In the famous dramatic monologue, his Last Duchess. Duchess is the feminine gender of Duke. Duke means the ruler of a country. কোনো দেশের শাসককে বলে Duke, and the wife of the Duke is called the Duchess. His Last Duchess, that means the Duke himself is the speaker in this poem, and he goes on speaking about his late wife. তার মৃতা স্ত্রীর কথা তিনি বলছেন. As the poem goes on, advances, as the Duke goes on speaking to someone who is listening to him, we understand several aspects of the Duke's character. The Duke is cruel by nature. স্বভাবের দিক থেকে তিনি নিষ্ঠুর. He derives a sadistic pleasure by inflicting pain on others. অন্যকে যন্ত্রণা দিয়ে তিনি আনন্দ পান. And at the end of the poem, we understand that it was the Duke who had killed his wife. So from this dramatic monologue, we get an idea of the Duke himself. While he goes on speaking, one aspect of his character is, or rather different aspects of his character are revealed. So this is an example of dramatic monologue. But this poem, Meeting at Night, is not a dramatic monologue. Remember this. Our poem, Meeting at Night, is not a dramatic monologue. Then what is it? It is a lyrical poem. এটা একটা গীতি কবিতা. It is a love lyric. Actually, this poem has some autobiographical elements in it. Autobiographical elements. The word autobiography means what? It means the life sketch of a person written by the person himself. It is an autobiography. It has some autobiographical elements. That means this poem, according to many critics, reflects Browning's own experiences. তার নিজের অভিজ্ঞতার কথাই তিনি এখানে বলেছেন। Robert Browning fell in love with Elizabeth Barrett, who herself was a famous poet. ব্রাউনিং প্রেমে পড়েছিলেন এলিজাবেথ ব্যারটের। এলিজাবেথ নিজেও ছিলেন কবি। Perhaps poetry was the link between Browning and Elizabeth. But Elizabeth's father did not approve of this relationship. এলিজাবেথের বাবা এই সম্পর্কে মত দেন, because at that time when Browning fell in love with Elizabeth, Browning was a non-entity. তখন তিনি কিছু নন. He was not famous. Actually, Elizabeth was at that time more famous than Robert Browning. So, Robert Browning met Elizabeth secretly. তিনি গোপনে দেখা করতেন. Ultimately, they left England and went to Italy. They married there. ইটালিতেই বিয়ে করেন. They settled in Italy and they lived there for many years. After many years, after the death of Elizabeth, Robert Browning returned to England and he died after a few years. So, what is the similarity between this poem and Browning's life? Browning also met Elizabeth secretly, and this poem, Meeting at Night, actually tells us about a secret meeting between the lovers. Here, the lover embarks on a journey to meet his beloved. The lover embarks on a journey. সে একটা ভ্রমণে বেরিয়েছে to meet his beloved. তার দ্বৈতা বা প্রেমিকার সঙ্গে দেখা করতে. So this poem, Meeting at Night, is a very famous love lyric written by Browning, and many say that this poem has some autobiographical elements. That means it reflects some aspects of Browning's life itself. This poem is a short poem. You will find that there are only 2 stanzas. Each stanza contains 6 lines. So there are in total 12 lines in this lyric. The first stanza tells us about the excitement of the secret journey, and the second stanza tells us about the fulfillment of meeting between the lovers. So, we will discuss the poem in the next video.